Types of isomerism. Like organic chemistry, in complex compounds also there are two types of isomerisms are there. Chalo, like organic chemistry, in inorganic chemistry, like coordination compounds also, there are two kind of isomerisms, structural isomerism and stereoisomerism. In structural isomerism, we are going to discuss first ionization isomerism. Put it in first, ionization isomerism. Ionization isomerism. Like organic chemistry, in complex compounds also two type of isomerisms are there. One is structural isomerism, second one is stereoisomerism. Structural isomerism and first isomerism is ionization isomerism. Achha, what is meant by ionization isomerism means complex are having same molecular formula. Note karo. Complex are having same molecular formula. Same molecular formula. But exchange of ligands between coordination sphere and ionization sphere. Coordination sphere and ionization sphere. Coordination sphere and ionization sphere. Exchange of ligands between coordination sphere and ionization sphere. Means interchange of ligand and anion. That anion should be a potential ligand hona chahiye. So those complexes are said to be ionization isomerism. Example है, आपको एक example दे रहा है. CO NH3 taken 5 times Br Cl SO. ये complex है. अच्छा इसका exchange of ligand between coordination sphere and ionization sphere. अच्छा this is the coordination sphere, this is ionization sphere. चलो one more complex चल रहा है CO NH3 taken 5 times SO4 Cl. अच्छा both complex having same molecular formula, but you see nomenclature is different or complex are different only. How can you identify these complex are different? Simply अच्छा for this complex, first complex we add AgNO3 and barium chloride. Suppose I add AgNO3, no PPT. I add barium chloride, barium sulfate form because ionization is SO4 minus. Here barium sulfate white PPT is formed. White PPT is formed. Like this complex also, I add both reagents, AgNO3 and BaCl2. First complex gives AgCl white PPT. Second compound no PPT. मतलब both complex are different only. The only thing is exchange of ligand between coordination sphere and ionization sphere. Coordination sphere and ionization sphere only. This anion should be a potential ligand ayi undali. Ante SO4 అనేది outside ఉంది. Inside complex ligand act చేయాలి. Those complexes only can exhibit ionization isomerism only. Exchange of ligands will take place between coordination sphere and ionization sphere. अच्छा क्वेश्चंस ఇలా అడగొచ్చేమో రెండు కాంప్లెక్స్ డిఫరెంట్ ఎలా ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తామంటే రియేజెంట్ సింపుల్ టెస్ట్ అయానిక్ టెస్ట్ ఓన్లీ కాంప్లెక్స్ అయాన్ సింపుల్ అయాన్ సల్ఫేట్ అయాన్ సింపుల్ అయాన్ క్లోరైడ్ అయాన్ ఇట్ గివ్స్ డిఫరెంట్ టెస్ట్ ఓన్లీ సో వెరీ సింపుల్ easily identify how easily identified which of the following is ionization isomerism is complex same molecular formula but exchange of ligand between coordination sphere and ionization note karo. This is a cationic complex, na? This is also a cationic complex. Na? This is also cationic complex. Na? So, anionic complex never exhibit annealation. Note pointer, anionic complex. Anionic complex never exhibit ionization. Anionic complex never exhibit ionization. Anionic complex never exhibit ionization. Right? देखो यार कैसा K4 FeCN6 K4 FeCN6 లో ఇది anionic complex. This is 4K plus Ih2. Other this complex is anionic, no doubt. Right? Anionic complex. ఈ పొటాషియం అనేది లీగెండ్ గా బిహేవ్ చేయదు. All positive ions are not a potential ligands. Mostly all negative ions are potential ligands. So ionization sphere lo coordinate sphere lo exchange of ions are not take place. Each complex is anionic complex. So anionic complex never be ionization isomerium, but most of the cationic complexes are ionization isomerium. The only thing is exchange of ligands between coordination sphere and ionization sphere. Note karo. Note karo. So only one simple word ionization isomerium is exchange of ligand between coordination sphere and ionization. But in case of anionic complexes, positive charge, matlab cations are not potential ligands. That's why anionic complex never exhibit ionization isomerium. Anionic complex never exhibit ionization isomerium. Right? Chalo next. Hydration isomerium. Next one is hydration isomerium. Hydration isomerium. Hydration isomerium. Acha, let me చెప్పాలంటే it is not a special type of isomerium. It is one of the type of ionization isomerium. Like hydration isomerium, there is a hydration isomerium also. The water molecule having a two row. Here water molecule has a ligand. Water molecule has a ligand. Yeah. Water molecule has a lattice water, we call as lattice water. Water molecule as a ligand, as a lattice water is different. Is different in complexes. So hydration isomerium, solvation isomerium ante main difference ఏంటంటే water molecule as a ligand, water molecule as a matlab outside the complex is lattice water. Lattice water is outside the complex. Outside the complex is nothing but lattice water. Is different in complexes. Those complexes are said to be hydration isomerium. The best example is CO NH3 taken 6 times. Sorry. H2O taken 6 times Cl. Actually, your water molecule has a ligand only. There is no lattice water only. Chalo CO, H2O taken 5 times, Cl, Cl2, dot H2O. Here, dot H2O is lattice water only. Crystalline water only. Dot H2O, whenever you write dot H2O. Achha, one more complex CO, H2O taken 4 times, Cl2, Cl dot 2H2. अच्छा देख लीजिए three complex you can see that first complex में there is no lattice water, all water molecules are ligand है. Second complex में 5 water molecule only ligand, 1 water molecule lattice water. Third complex में 4 water molecule as a ligand, 2 water molecule as a lattice points. अच्छा more or less complex having same molecular formula, there is no difference in molecular formula. Other having same molecular formula, the only difference is a water molecule as a ligand is different, lattice water lattice water is also different from complex one. Here there is no lattice water. Here 1 lattice water, 2 lattice water, a ligand 6 ligand, 5 ligand, 4 ligand only. So this kind of complex are said to be hydration isomer. So for our kind of information, this is not a special type, one of the type of ionization isomer. Since with AgNO3 solution, it also gives the same silver chloride PPT1. Like if AgNO3, I'm adding excess of AgNO3, it gives 3 moles of AgCl, it gives 2 moles of AgCl, it gives AgCl, 1 mole of AgCl. Like questions also they may ask. Sometimes colors also they ask. This is a violet color is given in NCERT. Acha, bluish green, bluish green and down. This is dark green. Acha, what are given in NCERT? Colors of this complex also given in hydration isomer. Sometimes previously 1 or 2 times colors are also asked. These are only one example is given hydration isomer in NCERT. Check it. Check it. Hydration means water molecule as a ligand and as a coordination sphere, with lattice water as a different. See 3 complexes में first complex में 6 water molecule as a ligand, second complex में only 5 water molecule as a ligand, third complex में only 4 water molecule as a ligand. This is a hydration isomer. Now third one is linkage isomerism. Third one is linkage isomerism. Linkage isomerism. Linkage isomerism. Linkage isomerism. Linkage. What is a linkage isomerism? As a complex are having same molecule formula. The only difference is same molecule formula. Only difference is metal ligand linkage. Metal ligand linkage. This kind of isomerism arises only if one of the ligands should be ambidentate. Condition for this isomerism, one of the ligand should be ambidentate ligand. Ambidentate ligand. Achha, we know ambidentate ligands are nothing but NO2, Cn minus, SCN minus, CNO minus, etc. These are ambidentated ligands అంటాం. For example, CO NH3 taken 5 times, NO2 plus 2 complex. E complex తీసుకున్నాను. For this complex I write two structures. लिखो कैसा लिखता है? Coordination number 6 होता है 5 ammonia 1 NO2. Coordination number 6 is octahedral geometry. For octahedral geometry shall I write like this? Octahedral geometry. अच्छा 5 ligands are ammonia. 5 ligands are ammonia. 5 ligands are ammonia. They do bond है. अच्छा 1 NO2 है. Shall I write NO2 like this also? They do bond. अच्छा ये linkage through in this complex linkage through nitrogen. देखो linkage through nitrogen. The same complex shall I also write? अच्छा 5 ligands are ammonia. 5 ligands are ammonia. अच्छा this NO2 shall I write like N double bond O A plus 2. अच्छा linkage carbon oxygen linkage है, carbon nitrogen linkage. Metal ligand linkage is different. This is called linkage isomerism. So which of the following complex can exhibit linkage isomerism is nothing but which complex can exhibit means metal ligand bond is different. Here carbon nitrogen like carbon cyanide and CN minus अनुकोंडी carbon nitrogen different. अच्छा CN nitrogen carbon sulfur different. Oxygen nitrogen carbon different. मतलब ambidentate means it is a monodentate ligand, but at the same time only one can donate a pair of electrons. Not two atoms can donate this at the same time. Only one atom can donate a pair of electrons. अच्छा bonding through nitrogen, bonding through oxygen. Like bonding through carbon, bonding through nitrogen, bonding through sulfur, bonding through nitrogen. So ambidentate condition is if any complex can exhibit linkage isomerism, easily you can identify that complex should have at least one ambidentate ligand only. In given 4 option, you can easily check out which are the following complex having one ambidentate ligand. That is definitely can exhibit linkage isomerism. Not correct. Like chalo. One more isomerism, coordination isomerism. NCERT में only 4 isomers are given. Saturation isomerism, ionization isomerism, solvation isomerism, linkage isomerism, and coordination isomerism. अच्छा coordination, polymerization, and polymerization that is different, which are not given in NCERT. Now coordination isomerism. Coordination isomerism. Coordination isomerism. Coordination isomerism. Coordination isomerism. So what are the coordination isomerism is? Here exchange of ligands. Exchange of ligands between cationic complex, cationic and anionic complex. With different metal. With different metal ions. Acha, easily identified. This kind of isomerism you easily identified because both cation and anions should be complexes. Acha, previous example mein either cation or anion is complex, but in this example mein easily you can identify. Very easy to identify. Both complex are cation. Sorry, both cation and anion should be complex. Condition. What is the condition is? Condition is cation and anion should be complex. Cation anion రెండు కాంప్లెక్స్ అయితే ఈజీగా ఐడెంటిఫై చేయొచ్చు. మీకు ఇచ్చిన ఏ ఆప్షన్ లో cation anion రెండు కాంప్లెక్స్ గా ఉంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ CO NH3 taken 6 times, Cr coordination number, suppose Cn taken 6 times. This complex, as we already discussed how to name the IUPAC name of this complexes. This complex, just we can exchange the ligand can exchange. Ligand can exchange like Cr NH3. Acha, ammonia ligand now come to with bromine. Cl ligand come to with cobalt. These two complexes are example for coordination. And this is the cation plus 3. This is the anion. This is the cation. This is the anion. Cation and anion రెండు కాంప్లెక్స్ అవ్వాలి. Ligands are exchanged between cation and anion. Ligand exchange అయ్యింది చూడండి. ఈ అమోనియా ఏమో Cr కి వెళ్ళింది. Cn ఏమో CO కి వెళ్ళింది. Exchange of ligands between cationic and anionic complexes with different metal ions. One more example. NCERT will an example. One more example. Cu NH3 taken 4 times. PT Cl4. This is the one complex. Shall we write like PT NH3 taken 4 times. Cu Cl4. Achha, easily identified. If given option may which option may both cation and anion are complex. And the molecular formula should be same only. The only difference is exchange of ligands between cation and anion. Then those are examples for coordination. Very easy to identify. So I think you understood all 4 types of isomerism. Structural isomerism में 4 types हैं. Ionization, once again, in simple, within simple 1 or 2 minutes, I can remind you. Ionization isomerism nothing but exchange of ligand between coordination pair and ionization. Condition, anionic complex never exhibit this kind of isomerism. Second one, solvation isomerism. Water molecule as a ligand is different. Water molecule as a ligand is different. That is called solvation isomerism. It is not a special type, one of the type of ionization isomerism also. Now linkage, condition for linkage isomerism means at least one ligand should be ambidentate ligand. Bonding between metal and ligand should be different. At least one should be different only. This is the linkage isomerism. Coordination isomerism conditional. One of the ligand, cation and anion both are complex only. Exchange of ligands between cation and anion with a different metal ions. These are examples. These are very simple when compared to organic chemistry. In complex compound, isomerism very easy for you. Note the coordination isomerism. Then I go for stereo isomerism. GI and optical isomerism. Geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. चलो now stereo isomerism में only two types हैं. Organic chemistry में three types हैं. Conformational, geometrical and optical. But mostly two types only given in NCERT, particularly in case of coordination compounds. GI, geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. Note करें first geometrical isomerism. Geometrical isomerism. Geometrical isomerism. Geometrical isomerism. Geometrical isomerism. Right? Geometrical isomerism. Acha, before discussing geometrical isomerism, what is the cis isomer? What is the trans isomer? Cis ante ligand should be present in ligand should be placed adjacent positions. Adjacent positions. Adjacent positions. Trans isomerism should be placed in opposite positions. Opposite. अच्छा, ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में सिस साइड बोलते हैं, बट कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंड सिस में एडजेसेंट साइड में सिस है, अपोजिट साइड में ट्रांस है. व्हाट इज सिस isomerism? What is a trans isomerism? Now come to the coordination number 2 complexes. Linear complex. अच्छा, linear complex for example M(A2) type or MEB type. Ligands are linear. Linear means both are opposite only. There is no question of cis isomerism. There is no question of cis isomerism. Both are opposite side only. Adjacent नहीं मिलते हैं in case of linear isomerism. So complex compound linear coordination number 2 complex never exhibit J. Very simple condition है. आप लिखो coordination number 2 linear is never exhibit J. No GA. Because linear का मतलब opposite side है, only trans है, cis isomer cannot exist. So coordination number 2 complex never exhibit geometrical isomerism. Now coordination number 3 planar molecule है. अच्छा, planar molecule में all are adjacent side है, there is no opposite side है. Coordination number 3 is a planar है, all are adjacent side है, there are no planar. Sorry, there is no opposite side. So no GA. Once again, no GA. There is no GA. Coordination number 2 complex, coordination number 3 complex, there is no GA. Since coordination number 2 में trans is possible, cis is not possible. Coordination number 3 में cis possible, trans is not possible. Both are possible होना चाहिए. अच्छा, coordination number 4 Tetrahedral complex, again no GI. For example, MA4 type टेट्राहेड्रल, सपोज टेट्राहेड्रल है. अच्छा आप देख लीजिए टेट्राहेड्रल है, सपोज दिस इज लिगेंड, सपोज. अच्छा, one more ligand should be how? Perpendicular to this or behind the board. Perpendicular towards you or behind the board. Away from you or towards you. These are all are adjacent positions only, not opposite positions only. Means coordination number 4 tetrahedral complex may be no GI. Coordination number 2 no GI. Coordination number 3 no GI. Coordination number 4 tetrahedral no GI. The reason is all positions are adjacent. Note the reason why tetrahedral complex never exhibit GI means because all are adjacent positions. There is no opposite positions. Why coordination number 4 complex, particularly tetrahedral complex, never exhibit GI? The reason is all positions are adjacent side. There is no opposite position side. Chalo. Now coordination number 4 square planar complex. Coordination number 4 square planar complex. Coordination number 4 square planar. ये स्क्वायर प्लेनार में को GI पॉसिबिलिटी देर. स्क्वायर प्लेनार में GI पॉसिबिलिटी देर. अच्छा, which type of square planar? अरे MA4 అన్నా అనుకోండి, స్క్వేర్ ప్లేనార్ లో కూడా నో GI. The reason is all are adjacent, all are opposite అని చెప్పుకోవచ్చు. MA4 అని రాశాను అనుకోండి, this is square planar. ये ఇలా రాశాను అనుకోండి, ఎడ్జసెంట్ చెప్పొచ్చు, ఆపోజిట్ కూడా చెప్పొచ్చు. కాబట్టి మనం పర్టికులర్ గా డిస్టింగ్విష్ చేయలేము సిస్ ఆర్ ట్రాన్స్ అనేది. ఆల్ ఆర్ సేమ్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ లీగల్ కాబట్టి ఈవెన్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లేనార్ లో కూడా A4 టైప్ ఉంటే దేర్ ఇస్ నో GI. ఇఫ్ A4 టైప్ MA4 టైప్ దేర్ ఇస్ నో GI. MA4 టైప్ దేర్ ఇస్ నో GI because all are identical only. We cannot identify which is cis, which is trans only. MA4 there is no GI. अच्छा, MA3B also there is no GI. MA3B also मतलब if you replace A B A both are opposite side, A adjacent are. We cannot distinguish which is cis, which is trans one. So MA3B complex also never exhibit geometrical asymmetry. Even square planar also. अच्छा, MA2B2, yes, this complex can exhibit GI. MA2B2. अच्छा, we said platinum 2 complexes, irrespective of strong field ligand, weak field ligand, always square planar geometry. Once again, I repeating. Once again, I repeating. Platinum 2 complex, palladium 2 complex, gold 3 complex, irrespective of strong field and weak field ligand, all are square planar geometry. For example, platinum complex the best example है. अच्छा, whether it is a strong field ligand, weak field ligand, it is a square planar geometry only. MA2B2 type है. अच्छा, platinum this is cis complex. अच्छा, for example, for your kind information, cisplatin is used for anti-cancer reagent to remove the tumors for cancer patient. Anti-cancer reagent cisplatin antam. Biological importance is there for cisplatin. This cisplatin is a square planar complex. Cis is somewhere. The same complex shall be write like this: NH3 ClC. This is trans isomer. Both chlorines are opposite, both ammonia is opposite. Here both are adjacent, both are adjacent. Adjacent is cis isomer, opposite is trans isomer. Right? चलो मतलब M A2BC type also can exhibit है. M A2B2 type. For example, platinum मैंने platinum दिया, NH3 taken twice, एक Cl दिया, एक Br दिया. ये भी with respect to अमोनियम बोल सकता है. देखो both ammonia same side. Both ammonia same side, sir. अच्छा, shall we write like this, sir? Ammonia in opposite side. This is transfer. This is transfer. Ma2BC also can exhibit GI. Can exhibit GI. अच्छा, previously asked question है. Previous last question है. MABCD 3GI. It exhibit 3GI. Previously asked question है. MABCD square planar, not tetrahedral. MABCD square planar complex can exhibit how many GI? 3 GI. 3 geometrical isomers are possible है. MABCD. अच्छा देखो ऐसा लिखता है 3. ऐसा दिखता है, देखता है, देखो. अच्छा मैंने ये को फिक्स किया, ये देखो ये लिखा. नाउ यहाँ B लिखा, यहाँ C लिखा, यहाँ D लिखा. अच्छा CD लिखा, D भी लिखा. अच्छा करें ये काम करो. AC, अच्छा BD लिखा, ये D भी रहा. सॉरी C वाला ABCD ACBD. ABCD ACDB. अच्छा ADBC. अच्छा 3 isomers are possible. 3 isomers are possible. A fourth isomer you can write, you can again same is obtained. So MABCD याद करो, MABCD can exhibit how many GI? 3 GI. Is there any possibility there? MABCD CD. अच्छा BD. Anyone? DB रचना BD रचना same अदे वस्तु. Same thing is repeating one. So number of geometrical isomers for the complex MABCD is the 3 isomers geometrical isomers possible. अच्छा now overall coordination number 2 मतलब MA2 no GI, MA3 no GI, MA4 tetrahedral no GI. अच्छा MA4 square planar no GI. अच्छा MA3B tetra square planar no GI. अच्छा MA2B2 square planar GI. MA2BC square planar GI. MABCD square planar GI. So there are 3 GIs are possible. This is previous last question. Note karo. I'll take a screenshot. MA2 no GI. Me3, no GI. Me4, tetroidal, no GI. Me4 square planar, no GI. Me3B square planar, no GI. Me2B square planar, yes GI. Me2BC square planar, GI. MEBCD, yes GI. Right. Next, coordination number 5. Sorry, coordination number 4 lo one more time. M AB taken twice can exhibit GI. M AA taken twice, no GI. अच्छा AA गानी AB का रास्ते binding take दी. Suppose I write AB is a unsymmetrical bidentate legal. अच्छा ये रास्ते ले लो symmetrical bidentate. अच्छा ये भी रास्ते अनसिमेट्रिकल बाइडेंटिटी लेंगे तो अక్కడ ये रास्ते सिमेट्रिकल बाइडेंटिटी. अच्छा ये भी कोई एग्जांपल हो ग्लाइसिनेट होना एग्जांपल. अच्छा ग्लाइसिनेट होना here donating ligand is oxygen, here nitrogen, both are different. अच्छा ఇక్కడ एग्जांपल EN ना इथिलीन डायमीन this ethylene diamine obviously ethylene diamine is the same atom can donate symmetrical can never exhibit GI but different atoms hai. I will give the example. CH2 NH2 C=O platinum. अच्छा CH2 NH2 C=O. अब देख लीजिए प्लैटिनम को दे रहा है, ऑक्सीजन भी दे रहा है, नाइट्रोजन भी दे रहा है. नाइट्रोजन सर सेम साइड है, ऑक्सीजन सर सेम साइड है. दिस इज cis section. Shall I go for this like this? CH2 NH2 C=O platinum complex, because most of the platinum complexes are square planar కాబట్టి most of the time take an example for platinum. If you take other examples, then you go for normal. If you go for bonding, PPT bonding, valence bonding. So strong field ligand and confusion. Platinum complex is very easy square planar complex. Acha now this time circle right like this. Now it is a trans हो गया, A6 हो गया. Here ammonia, the nitrogen same side है, and opposite side. Oxygen opposite side. Yes, same side. So that means MAB from AB taken twice side. MAB taken twice can exhibit GI, but it cannot exhibit GI. Symmetrical ligand अन्नी ये नहीं होती क्या? अन्नी NH2 होती. सबने symmetrical इसमें इकड़ा NH2 होती है, इकड़ा NH2 होती है. ఎలా మార్చినా అది సిస్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి ట్రాన్స్ రాదు. So in case of unsymmetrical bidentate ligand can exhibit geometrical asymmetry in coordination number 4 complex. नोट करो। अच्छा, वन प्रीवियसली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन है, जेई का क्वेश्चन भी था, इवन एपीएमटी क्वेश्चन भी था। nickel ion when react with DMG, previous asked question है, nickel react with DMG, dimethyl glixim, square planar complex is formed, like that. అదే నేను O మైనస్ తీసుకున్నాను, ఇక్కడ ఆక్సిలేట్ అయాన్ తీసుకున్నాను, డైమెథిల్ గ్లైక్సేట్ తీసుకున్నాను, నేను యానయాన్ తీసుకున్నాను. अच्छा निखिल है, चलो I will take one more also. here O minus తీసుకున్నాను నేను, here O is తీసుకున్నాను. చూడండి ఇక్కడ नाइट्रोजन के डोनेट बॉन्डिंग देख लीजिए, बॉन्डिंग क्या है, ये हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग है, ये हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग है। अच्छा डीएमजी అంటే ఇదమ్మ ఫార్ములా, डीएमजी అంటే ఫార్ములా CH3 C डबल बॉन्ड NOH, CH3 C डबल बॉन्ड NOH, ఇది DMG, డైమెథైల్ గ్లైక్సిమ్ ఫార్ములా ఇది. కాబట్టి నేను ఒకటి అయాన్ రాశాను కాబట్టి ఇలా రాస్తాను, ఒక అయాన్ రాశాను కాబట్టి ఇలా రాస్తాను, DMG రాశాను. अच्छा ఇదొక లిగెండ్, ఇదొక లిగెండ్, బైడెంటేట్ లిగెండ్ కాబట్టి మనం నిఖిల్ కోఆర్డినేషన్ నెంబర్ 4 తీసుకున్నాను నేను, 4 తీసుకుని ఇలా రాస్తాను. అయితే మనకి క్వశ్చన్ ఏమడిగేస్తుంటే, దీనిలో ఉన్న పాయింట్స్ ఏంటంటే, ఇది స్క్వేర్ ప్లేనార్ టెట్రాయిడల్ కాదు, కన్క్లూజన్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లేనార్, సిమెట్రికల్ ఐరన్ బాండింగ్ ఉంది, ఐరన్ బాండింగ్ ఉంది, చెర్రీ రెడ్ పీపీటీ, this is confirmation for nickel ion, confirmation for nickel ion in qualitative analysis. Qualitative analysis లో nickel ion confirmations. अच्छा మీకు ఏ క్వశ్చన్ ఏ ఇట్లా అడిగారంటే ఏపీఎంపీ లో APMT 2012 AIPMT 2012 this question is asked. అంటే ఈ మూడు ఆప్షన్స్ ఇచ్చారు, నాలుగో ఆప్షన్ టెట్రాయిడ్ అన్న, విచ్ ఆర్ ది ఫాలోయింగ్ ఇన్కరెక్ట్ అన్న. టెట్రాయిడ్ అనేది ఇన్కరెక్ట్, స్క్వేర్ ప్లేనార్ అనేది కరెక్ట్, సిమెట్రికల్ ఐరన్ బాండింగ్ అనేది కరెక్ట్, కలర్ రెడ్ పీపీటీ, చెర్రీ రెడ్ పీపీటీ అంటాం కలర్. Of course, it is used for test for nickel ion in qualitative analysis. Note చేసుకోండి. अच्छा remaining coordination number 5, coordination number 6 and optical isomerism tomorrow I can discuss. Tomorrow mostly I will finish the complex compounds. Coordination number 5, coordination number 6, optical isomerism tomorrow I am going to finish complete complex compounds. Right?